Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find transaction history on Binance app. So first step, you need to search for Binance app, click on that, and you need to log in into your Binance account. Once you log in, you simply need to click on wallets, and here you are in your wallet, and here you can see your Binance total balance. You can deposit crypto, deposit your currency. Here you can see amount, your earn, your gross margin, your complete detail, and if you want to see other details you can check from here like this, and the complete details you have seen by going through all these options. So this is the process that you go through to check. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.